How to use InstaReM Amaze Card. The Amaze Card is a no-fee MasterCard debit card from InstaReM, Singapore. Link up to 5 MasterCard credit, debit cards, or top up an Amaze wallet via Payno. Use instantly as a virtual card, or offline with the physical version, no preloading required. Superior foreign exchange rates compared to banks, great for overseas spending or e-commerce. Use one Amaze card to pay across multiple linked cards, and see all transactions in the app, neat and convenient. Track categorized live spending in app, approve online transactions via mobile prompts, and manage linked cards easily. Completely free to apply and use, no ongoing costs. Adds contactless convenience, works seamlessly on both mobile platforms. Any SGD transaction via linked cards incurs a 1% fee from the first dollar, minimum $50. InstaPoints now earn only on Amaze Wallet, not linked cards, at 0.5 points per $1, with no monthly cap. Thanks for watching.